Alright, so 876 Streets, we are here with Ian Galbraith, aka Swiffy, right, the driver of the Flairy Canary. Swiffy, the car looked very good today. What have you done over the past couple of weeks? I mean, since the last meet, I guess some major improvement.
We had some small issues, but the smallest of issues, give you the biggest drawbacks, like a gas filter can put you out.
True.
I mean, what we've done is just really fix the small things, not make the big changes, make the small changes.
Right.
And come to practice, come to test, that's the biggest thing here. I mean, we wouldn't have known the car would have run this good if we didn't come here.
Come to test. True. True.
I really believe that this was the best decision to make, just to come test it. And I mean, we've fixed other issues since yesterday, and the car is really good now, really reliable now. I mean, we can.
I mean, and not even a smoke, I don't see out of the car.
No, we don't have any issues. I mean, engine issues, we don't have necessarily.
Right.
It's just small things, around the accessories and stuff. But I must say that the team put a lot of effort in since the last race meet, because we know the car is good, and we know the car should be reliable,
Right.
But just the teething pains, the small stuff,
True, the little gremlins, eh?
The little small gremlins,
Now, what can your, I don't want to put you up on the spot, Swiffy, but what can your fans expect next week Sunday right here at the Dover Raceway?
Well, it's racing, anything can happen, but what we plan to do is just come and finish all the races.
Have fun.
Have a lot of fun, we're going to do some improvements to this week. We might go in search a little bit more power.
Wow.
And a little bit more control, with the handling, suspension, from what we know here. And try to come early and do some more testing. And on the race day, we just hope to finish up top. I mean, it's racing, you never know.
True. And your current class is MP4?
MP4.
All right, so you'll be going up against, Matthew Lee, Alan Garden, right. Doug Gore. What? Jimmy. Well, true. Hot class, that
That's what it is,
All right, bro. Well, all the best, and we'll catch up in the next week.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Big up. I think big up my sponsors.
Yes.
Fesco. They supply me with the fuel, to really keep the car going, and CSS E-Store. I mean, race car need parts, and they've really been very good at getting the parts to me on time. I mean,
okay.
I use their program, and I get the stuff on time so I can get to test.
Great.
You understand?
Great.
Way before race day, and I can say all is well.
Cool.
So very big ups to Fesco. Really like the energy. Really energy for the future.
Definitely.
And, CSS E-Store.
Definitely. Big up, Swiffy.
Big up,
All right, take it easy.
Yeah, man.
Cool.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.